welcome back to the channel, and it is just a really quick one actually. It's not going to be a very long video, just because I did actually have some redeliveries today of some bits that I really wanted for like some of my videos, some of Dan's videos, so it's just really funny. And I wanted to show you these in another video, but I'm going to show you now because I actually received something that I wasn't quite expecting, which I was a bit blown away by, and I just thought I need to tell you guys about this because this is brilliant. So I will just explain a little bit in a moment, but I just want to show you these first that I did actually get. Other than Dan got a little condenser microphone here for his instruments, so when we start putting some more music videos up, he's going to have his own channel as well, which is coming in the summer. For all of his music bits and pieces, he's going to be able to record his instruments using a proper microphone. So that is the first thing that we got that was redelivered. The second thing that I got that was redelivered was this. It's so cute. So next weekend I'm actually making some cakes for, I've got a 40th birthday and I've also got an 80th birthday that I'm doing. One of them, they love puffins, so I got this as a little cake topper because I'm not having a number on it. So that's just so cute, so cute. So I've got that. And the things that I was actually going to show you in another video was I got some buttons. I got a yes button, I got a no button, and I got a maybe button. So, for example, if I am doing another wish haul or something else on the house and kind of we're going through things, I can be like, do you know what? I really like this, and I can click the yes button. It's not got batteries in at the minute. I'm like, no, it's a maybe button. I'm like, no, it's horrible, I don't like it. This has batteries in.
For the last time, no.
But then my buttons, I'm actually really happy to have buttons. So that's them. But on to the thing that really surprised me. So I got this redelivered. And I was like, I've not ordered anything. And on the side, it says Betty's. And I'm like, I haven't ordered anything. I've especially not ordered anything for cakes. And I could not get my head around it. And the thing is, the guys at Royal Mail have stuck the sticker on there, which is the return address. So I didn't even get a chance to see the return address. But I opened it, and when I opened it, it's from Yorkshire Tea. I'm just going to let you know sort of what happened with Yorkshire Tea, and I'll read this out to you. This is what I have in my box. I have lots and lots of Yorkshire Tea. If you follow me on Twitter, you would have probably seen a moan about a month or a couple of months ago about renovating the house and how we drink lots and lots of tea, and obviously we're playing builders for a few weeks, so we were like teaing ourselves out. It was crazy. But Yorkshire Tea, amazing tea, absolutely love Yorkshire Tea, love you guys. They swapped over their tea bags, like the actual bag itself, and they were having issues with it kind of splitting when it warmed up, and the formula wasn't very good, so they were trying to find different ways of sewing it together so that it wouldn't split. And we ended up, I think it was 2 or 3 times we bought some boxes, and in those boxes it was just constant tea bag splitting. So you got tea all in your mug and then you drink it and then you'd be choking on bits of tea, and it wasn't very nice because obviously you expect it to kind of stay in the tea bag, and we didn't have diffusers. So I got in touch with Yorkshire Tea over Twitter. I just mentioned it and they said, oh, you can go onto our website and put in I think it's like the serial code of the actual box where you'd actually found these tea bags. And I was like, okay, I'll do that. That's brilliant. So it just means that I'm doing my bit and I'm helping those guys out, and they can kind of, if they have a look at their batches, they can go, well, that batch obviously split, that one didn't, so we'll carry on with that one. And if anyone knows things about batches and products and things like that, then you'll know what I'm on about. But one thing that I did not expect is Yorkshire Tea to send me a box of boxes of tea bags. I'm just like, I am stoked. I just can't believe it. I'm like, boom. I've got tea. That's crazy. Wow. But I'll just read what this actually says, what this little card says, because I think this is so lovely of them. I mean, they didn't have to do this at all. No way did they have to do this. and it is actually written on by a person. There we go, Jade. Thank you, Jade. She said, "Dear Leah, we're very sorry that your Yorkshire Tea experience wasn't perfect. Please enjoy these replacements with our compliments. With very best wishes, Jade, customer services at Yorkshire Tea." So I just want to say thank you guys. It's something that I definitely wasn't expecting. You know, I just thought I was doing my bit, sending you the batch numbers, and then you could be like, "Oh, that's a bit rubbish, we'll get rid of those." But no, I'm blown away. I am really, really blown away. I mean, I would have still drank Yorkshire Tea because I like Yorkshire Tea. All the other tea is rubbish. I mean, why would you drink anything else? It's just made me feel really good. And opening that today, you know, it's Saturday, and you know, I've had a good day at work, and I've come back, and we're actually going to the opening of the new PMT in Birmingham. And you know, this has just really topped my day. This has been really nice. So I just want to say a thank you to the guys at Yorkshire Tea, and I hope that I'll be speaking to a lot of customers out there of yours that have had the same kind of service. I just want to say the service is brilliant. You know, I couldn't expect anything more of a company that makes tea bags. So I'm stoked. So do you know what I've got to say to you guys?
Yeah. Yes. Well, yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Yeah, baby.
But yes, thank you to Yorkshire Tea for, you know, looking after your customers and taking things on board that they do say. I mean, I know that there are a lot of companies out there, a lot of big companies, a lot of smaller companies that don't actually do that, and I just want to say a great big thank you. Keep it up, and
Well, yes.
so that's it from me. Thank you guys for watching. I know it was just a short little video, but if you do want to keep up to date with some of the videos that I am doing that are coming up, there are going to be some quite fun videos. There may be some music videos coming up as well that I'll link through Dan's channel. And there may be some more wish hauls and obviously some more property renovation bits. Do feel free to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!